If you're looking to replace the bushings in the rear axle of your Mk4 Jetta, Golf, New Beetle, or even GTI, you've probably seen that there are two different versions. One is the standard version, the stock version, and another one that's become popular recently is the one from the SEAT Cupra, which is this one right here. The SEAT Cupra was a performance edition of what was basically a Mk4 and A4 platform. And it received this bushing, which has much stiffer solid rubber and is overall much heavier duty than what came from the factory. This is the factory bushing. This is just a stock replacement. As you can see, it's a stiff bushing. It's a very strong, very large bushing because there are two of these that control the entire rear axle. However, it still has indentations in it, which allows it to flex a little bit. And the whole idea behind this is when you're going over bumps or broken pavement, a lot of that sharp bumpiness isn't transmitted into the vehicle. However, it can give the rear of the car a little bit of a floating feeling as this shifts in its body. The one from the SEAT Cupra, however, gives you almost the best of both worlds. By that I mean, a lot of people have tried putting poly bushings in the rear. Those are so stiff and they don't flex at all. And the rear axle on a Mk4 actually moves in 3 different directions. It's not just up and down, it's actually also side to side. So a poly bushing will stop that movement, which actually results in negative handling characteristics. This bushing, however, is still rubber, and you can see that it's rubber right here, but it's way more solid and doesn't flex nearly as much. So this is a great bushing if you're looking to upgrade the handling on your Mk4 without too much of a trade-off with ride quality.